Today is one of those rare, strange days. Nothing motivates you at work because you just can't stop thinking about your plan for the evening. Time drags on and on and on. And you know that when you get home, you'll be able to enjoy your time with someone special. Someone who always appreciates the dinners you prepare. Someone who doesn't make any comments while watching a movie or argue about which song to listen to. Someone who makes everything worthwhile. And you'll realize how little it takes to make them happy. Woolf Snacks. Take care of those who take care of you.